Music. Want higher app revenue? Check out AppLovin Max. This powerful ad mediation platform helps mobile developers and publishers maximize earnings through programmatic bidding. A unified auction means ad networks, DSPs, and direct deals compete, ensuring the highest-paying ad wins. Forget waterfall models. Max uses in-app bidding so every impression earns top dollar. It supports various ad formats, banners, interstitials, rewarded video, allowing seamless ad integration. Real-time analytics and A/B testing optimize ad placements for maximum revenue. Automated tools fine-tune ad frequency, boosting engagement and retention. Incrementality measurement reveals ad monetization's impact on user lifetime value. Direct access to AppLovin's massive demand network, including top mobile gaming advertisers, guarantees high fill rates and premium CPMs. Robust brand safety controls, including fraud prevention and GDPR/CCPA compliance, ensure responsible monetization. AppLovin Max offers a transparent, high-performance solution with powerful analytics and flexible ad formats. Serious about app monetization? Links in the description let you explore AppLovin Max further.